Hey guys, Namaste and a grand welcome to Padma's Universe. It's all about food, people, and places. And I am in Chennai waiting for my Jigarthanda, a super cool glass of Jigarthanda. I'm sure you'd have tasted it or at least heard of it. If you are wondering what Jigarthanda is, let me tell you, it's a super cool drink which originated from Madurai. It actually looks like Faluda.
பரவாயில்ல ஜிகர்தண்டா 100 ரூபா
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ என்ன ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾಲೂದಾ
எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஐஸ்கிரீம் ஜெல்லி சப்ஜா பாசுந்தி பாதாம் மிக்ஸினு எல்லாம் வரும். இது வந்து திராட்சை சரிங்களா, இது பப்பாயா.
பப்பாயாவா?
ஆமாம் ஓகேவா. டபுள் டூ பை
என்ன ஐஸ்கிரீம்?
ஹோம்மேட் ஐஸ்கிரீம் நாங்கள் ரெடி பண்ணுறோம். எங்கள் ஃப்ளேவர்
என்ன ஐஸ்கிரீம் அது?
இது லைட் கேரமல் சாக்லேட் மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஐஸ்கிரீமா சரிங்களா, அது போக பாசுந்தி பால் ஆடை பாசுந்தி
பால் ஆடையா? Jigarthanda happens to be a signature drink of Madurai. In fact, first time I tasted Jigarthanda in Madurai at a wedding. It was amazing and I loved it. You can actually call Jigarthanda and Faluda cousins. Second time I tasted Jigarthanda at Trichy in a mall. I kind of didn't like it so much. I mean, it was okay. You need to taste Jigarthanda from a proper place. I mean, the person should know how to make it. The Jigarthanda should be well made, well prepared, and that is when you will love it. Jigar means heart, Thanda means cold in Hindi. So that's the word for you, Jigarthanda. Guys, do try this. If you happen to get a chance to taste Jigarthanda, do give it a try. You will love it. Basic ingredients which goes into making of Jigarthanda are milk, ice cubes, nanari syrup. There's something called badam gum, almond gum. You know, there's an eatable gum which they extract from almond tree, which is a primary ingredient which goes into making of this particular thing. So I was unable to finish it at the shop, so now I am heading towards my place. So I will slowly take my time and enjoy. And there's this homemade ice cream which he has put in, and it's fantabulous. And there's basundi and lots of dry fruits. Yum. So guys, we are on our way back to Bangalore, and yeah, definitely give Jigarthanda a try. You will not be disappointed. You will love it. We started at 5:30 a.m. from Chennai, and actually, you know what, I'm planning to stop at Ambur because we will be crossing Ambur, and I do this every time religiously. So I stopped by the very famous Ambur Biriyani, the Star Biryani, the original restaurant of the Ambur Biriyani, to pack some biryani. So but today I have my own doubts because we will be reaching there pretty early, and I'm not sure if the services would have begun, but then let's go. Let's see if we are lucky. Guys, that's the very famous Talpakatti biryani. In fact, every time I give this a miss. The reason is timing. I either come too late or too early. Like today I am too very early, and you can see the shutters are down. Next time definitely I have to plan my visit and come, and this biryani is amazing. So you will see a lot of, like, you see there's the Star Biryani outlet here. You will see plenty of Star Biryani outlet. Now this is Chennai Bangalore highway. You will see plenty of biryani outlets under the same name, Star Biryani, but they are not the original ones. We have reached, and this is the train. Now this particular outlet is the original Star Biryani, Ambur Star Biryani outlet. Bad luck, guys, the services are yet to start. They said the biryani is not ready. This is how it looks from outside, and the cleaning is happening, and this is the bucket. I am anyways inside. I stepped inside and I wanted to show you guys the interiors, and that's the bucket which I pack. That's the bucket biryani, the family pack, what they call. Comfortably 4 to 6 people can eat, and the interiors are pretty neat and clean. There's a takeaway section the other side. There are toilets on the left hand side of the place. There's also chai coffee available, and there's this small leather outlet where you can buy genuine leather products. So this is how it looks. So bad luck, guys. Next time I'm definitely planning to come here, and I need to keep a check on my time. So we walked down to this tea stall which is right next to the restaurant. We wanted to have some hot chai. In Bangalore, I've seen there are so many biryani outlets and they call it Ambur Biriyani, but they're all fake. They just sell it in the name of Ambur Biriyani. You must come here once, and this is the original authentic Ambur Biriyani, and it's good for once. You can eat and you will love it. It's very light, and definitely guys, next time I'm planning to go capture making of the Ambur Biriyani live. I need to plan my timing as I said, and weekends are damn crowded. So if you plan to come here, make sure that you come here on a weekday preferably because the crowd is going to be relatively lesser than on a packed weekend. So guys, you will also find a lot of leather goods outlet here across Ambur, because Ambur happens to be one of the largest leather tanning centers in India. So when you come here, you can always buy some fabulous genuine leather stuff at a good price. You can actually bargain. But I have never bought any leather stuff from here. I've only done window shopping. Our tea is ready, and I kind of had like 2 to 3 cups of tea because this cup is too very small for me. I love having chai from such small tea outlets because these people make the world's best tea and coffee. Trust me, I'm not talking about the hygiene here, but they know how to make the best chai and coffee. And right next door, there are a couple of more outlets, which is the leather goods outlet. These are closed right now, but then I'm trying to show you there are plenty of such outlets across the road on both sides. And these people kind of have, I mean, the best stuff, like the designer stuff. And you will also see plenty of star biryani outlets of all sizes. Guys, it's a little disheartening because for the very first time ever, I'm gonna return home to Bangalore from Ambur empty-handed. I kind of knew this is gonna happen. Bad luck. Next time for sure, I will not give this a miss. Every time I go from Ambur, I go with a bucket of biryani. Guys, it's my dream to come here and capture the making of the authentic original version of Ambur Biriyani live. I need to come here pretty early because they start making the biryani early in the morning because the services start by 11:30. But before that, very important, I need to get the permissions and I need to plan the time and my visit. Lots of work, but I'm sure I'll be able to do it because it's my dream and I have to do it. So hopefully I will see you with my biryani vlog from Ambur very soon. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. We are on our way to Bangalore. Have a nice day and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.